Oh boy, is it cold. I can't believe all this cold weather down here in Florida. Yeah, it's like in the 30s this morning. And you need an emergency radio. And PRUNUS sent me this J-161W weather radio. Very basic, got exactly what you need. It's AM/FM weather band. It uses two AA batteries, no rechargeable battery. Has a carrying strap. You see the size of it. Fits right in the palm of your hand. It's a telescopic antenna over here someplace. There it is. Earphone jack. This is the band select. This is a tuning dial, and this is on-off of volume. I'll show you this up close. And I'm going to turn it on right now. You need an emergency radio. Boy, I can't believe this weather. I don't remember the weather. I guess I've gotten kind of spoiled. The last couple of years has been very mild in Florida during the winter. But boy, okay, let me turn this on.
1 foot at 5 seconds. Tuesday night.
We didn't listen for a while.
Winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Wave detail, southwest 1 foot at 4 seconds. Wednesday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Wave detail, south 2 feet at 3 seconds. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Wednesday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northwest 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet. Wave detail, west 4 feet at 5 seconds.
Okay, what's the temperature?
Showers. Thursday,
Showers.
northwest winds around 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. A slight chance of showers in the morning. Thursday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots.
Oh, God.
Seas 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet.
All week.
Friday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet.
Okay. Here's the manual, which you absolutely don't need. Straightforward.
Forecast. At St. Petersburg.
Okay, you're not going to tell me the temperature, so I'm going to go on to another band. Shows you which band you have. I'm at the top. FM. Whoa. Oh, gosh, music. Okay, I'm going to skim. I'm right in the middle of the band. I'm just going to skim across this band.
At 9 p.m. Eastern on NBC.
There we go.
And stream on Peacock and NFL Plus.
An iHeartRadio sports report.
Good audio.
Mark's Real Estate.
This is former Notre Dame quarterback
Plenty of
Brady
volume.
Quinn. Here's what's trending from the iHeart Sports Network.
Presented by Allstate.
The Lightning win a
Martinez
Is wearing.
Yeah. Boy, it's picking up a lot of stations. A lot of music.
You to know that.
Ball quote and then jam you up mid-move or at the end by demanding more money.
No problem
you want
there.
A highly trained staff. It's
Let's go
background
to
check.
AM.
That's what you're going to get from two.
Yeah, it probably, yeah, it wants to face this way. Music.
I'm glad that was the first question that came in because I remember that was a big part of my own upbringing in the faith is, I don't know if it was purposely presented like this, but how I took it, when I was a kid is, the faith really is just a set of rules.
Making his appearance in about 50 minutes from now. We'll find out if we're having 6 more. Reached 11.4 weeks in December, the highest levels.
Ooh, likes this one.
December of 2020.
Okay.
And job seekers who've been out of work for 27 weeks or more now make up about a quarter of all unemployed workers. It's hard to make headway in a no-hire, no-fire job market.
I'm wondering if the antenna or medium wave is this direction. That's why it doesn't mind me pointing it this direction.
So let's talk about the unemployment.
I thought it was up here,
That's 4.4%.
which would want it to point that way, but it likes this way. That's good.
Is one indicator. But you only in that number if you're on unemployment benefits.
There.
So if your benefits
Loud
have
and
run
clear.
out, you don't count.
Studios. Our telephone
Yeah.
number is 855 Stegall. If you'd like
It
to
is
come
very
in and get in
sensitive.
on it today. Texas Superfood. I just the goalies fought.
Look at that.
And what's doing before?
Okay, let's go back to the weather and see if he's. Okay, let's see if I can pick up two weather stations.
Missouri remains
There's one.
until 10 a.m. Monday for the following county: Pinellas, Florida.
Maybe I can pick up three. No.
Lows in the
There's
lower
a second
40s.
one.
Sunday and Sunday
Oh.
night, clear. Highs in the lower 70s. Lows in the mid-40s.
Oh.
Synopsis: cold weather will linger into midweek before gradually warming. However, another cold front is on the horizon towards the end of next week.
I don't want to hear that.
The current time is
I don't want to hear more cold coming. Anyway, this is a nice little portable, very portable, standard batteries, emergency radio. It's got NOAA, AM, FM, weather band. I want to thank PRUNUS for sending me these radios. I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.